Hello, I'm John and welcome back to another video where you can build your skills with Xero. Today we look at reports. Every business is unique, so being able to customize reports is crucial for getting a better understanding of your business and making good business decisions. In this video, we look at two ways to customize reports. One is really simple and takes just seconds. The second method is a little more advanced but lets you do much more detailed customization. So let's jump into Xero and take a look. Here's the profit and loss, which shows me the performance of the business in a particular period. Choose a date range. Here I'll choose last month. Compare the figures with previous months. You can select up to 36 periods. Here I just want 2. This business has set up tracking categories for different regions it operates in. So I could filter the report to show only one or some of these regions, but I want to see performance for the whole business, so I won't filter. And click More for some other options. Choose your accounting basis, and show any additional information you'd like to see. I'll show a total column. Click Update to see all your changes. And call the report whatever you like. So that's a super quick way to adjust your report in seconds. You can then export or save it. Let's look at the second method of customizing the report. Click Edit Layout to open Xero's powerful layout editor tool. For this example, there's a few things I'd like to do. I'll change some of the headings. Double-click on a heading and start typing. Or select the heading and change the row heading here. I'd like to see a gross profit percentage or gross margin. Select a group near where you want the formula, click the rows icon at the top, and Formula. Xero adds a new formula at the bottom of the group. Drag the formula and drop it where you want. Give the formula a name. And use this formula builder to create the formula. I'll group some expenses together. Press Ctrl or Command and click on the accounts you want to group. Then click Group Selection. Give the group a name. And decide how you want this group to appear. Either with a subheading, showing each account and a subtotal, or just as one line. Here I'll show it just as one line. Click the arrow to collapse the group. And I'll drag this group so it appears after motor vehicle expenses. One last thing I'd like to do is to add a variance column to show how the figures have changed from one month to the next. Click the columns icon and choose the type of column you want. Here it's variance. I want the variance to be December less November, so I'll select December as the first column and November as the second. You can show this as a percentage if you like. Here I just want to show the amount. You could add a second variance column if you want to show the percentage as well. Click Update Layout to preview your changes. Rename the report, and remember to save it. So that's two ways to customize your reports. As a bonus for watching this far, here's an extra way you can show information just the way you want it. There's a really handy side panel on the left. This has some common formats to choose from. One of these might be just what you need. So check them out before you start customizing, they could save you time. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.